This video looks at how to use folders and subfolders within the Google Drive so that students can upload their work, for example documents, photos and videos, into a student portfolio folder, and this can then be shared with and made easily accessible for teachers. Step 1. The milepost coordinator or head of section creates a folder in which the different year group folders can be stored. Subfolders are then created for each year group. We just make sure to add on the graduation year to each year group folder to track, archive and distinguish this folder from future cohorts. Step 3. A folder for each class within the year group is then created. The milepost coordinator then shares each class folder with the class teacher. Step 5. The students create their portfolio folders using just their name. Step 6. The students share this folder with their class teacher. Step 7. The student creates subfolders for the different subject areas within their portfolio folder. Step 8. The student copies the link for the subject folder and uses this to create a QR code. Step 9. The student pastes this link into a QR generator. Step 10. This QR code should be printed and stuck into the student's exercise book. Step 11. Meanwhile, the class teacher drags each student portfolio folder into the class folder. Then, when the teacher just wants to see a student's work, she can go into the student's folder. And here we're going into the IPC folder and we can see all the students' work that's in there so far.